Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check your laptop or PC specification in Windows 10 or 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my laptop, and if we want to check our laptop or PC specification, first thing first, we need to go to our setting. You can click on this icon to open the start menu and select setting. Okay, in the setting, you can choose system and just scroll down until you find about this one. And here you'll be able to get your device specifications. As you can see, this is my device specification. This is my Windows specification. And if you want to get a detailed information about your installed RAM or your processor, you can go to the system information. You just need to go back to the start menu and search for system information. Okay, and this is the system summary, guys. You can scroll down to get the detailed information. This is my installed physical memory or RAM information. And you can double click on the system summary to get all this information in your laptop. Alright guys, and that's all the way to check the PC or laptop specification. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.